Tacloban Mission.
Tacloban Mission.
Baguio Mission.
Hong Kong. Davao Mission.
Cebu.
Cebu.
Davao kay. Ano man siya, ganun siya sa Davao.
Antipolo Mission.
Japanese.
Japan.
Brazil. Sige. Dear Elder Bukayan. You are hereby called to serve as a mission of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You have been recommended as one worthy to represent the Lord as a minister of this restored gospel of Jesus Christ. You are assigned to labor the Philippines Naga Mission and will prepare to preach gospel in Tagalog language. You will begin your missionary training on Friday, October 24, 2025.
Asa rin